What's going on, everybody? It's Josh. Thank you for coming to my channel. I just wanted to tell you about my journey and a little bit about how what my channel is about. My channel is going to be about making money online and businesses of that sort. But first, I kind of want to go over my story a little bit with you, kind of tell you how I got into affiliate marketing and making money online and things of that sort. So I joined the military back in 2007 and recently got released, or recently got out as of March this year, 2019. And during that journey, I ran into some people who were entrepreneurial minded, things like that, that really kind of started changing my mindset about what a job should be, how your lifestyle should be, things of that sort. So really, I started getting into online marketing and making money, being entrepreneurial minded, probably around, I would say, 2012. I've tried different things like that. I tried affiliate marketing before, then kind of got in my own way. I tried network marketing, e-commerce, eBay business. I mean, just about anything you could think of, I actually tried it. And I kept trying it, knowing that there's something out there that works because I see all these people doing it. And I'm like, man, there's got to be something for me out there that makes me capable of being able to do this, you know? And so as I kept doing this, I started learning. And well, recently, because of getting out of the military, I really didn't know where to go, didn't know what to do. They say they set you up for success, and in a way they do, but they really don't. I'm kind of lost, don't know where to go. My head's spinning, but I'm fresh. I have a fresh start. And after reading some books like the 10X Rule, Russell Brunson's .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, and things like that, they really broke it down and changed my mindset. And those other books changed just the way I look at marketing in general. And if you want, and just to let you know, I'll put a link to these books down below. But I decided to give affiliate marketing another shot. And so before I keep going into my story, I mean, really, I'm starting to see a little bit of success with affiliate marketing. And for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, I'll go ahead and break it down. Affiliate marketing is when you have a product, or say someone has a product, they want to get the word out, but they don't necessarily want to sit there and do the advertising and the things themselves. So what they do is they'll put it on a marketplace such as like ClickBank or other affiliate networks. Just ClickBank's just the biggest one right now. But what they'll do is they'll put it there, and affiliate marketers such as myself will go online and say, hey, we want to be part of the program, and we'll go ahead and we'll do the marketing for you. And in return, they pay you a commission. So if a company is selling a $100 product, they say they're going to pay all their affiliates 30%. For every sale you make that's $100 or whatever the total is, but for easy math, $100, they will pay you $30 or whatever 30% of the cart total is. And then there's some that have recurring commissions, but that's later on down the road. But yeah, in a nutshell, if I have a product and I want you guys to market for me, I go through and I will give a percentage of that sale to you. I still make money, you make money, the customer gets what they want. So it's a triple win, you know what I mean? Which I think is really cool, which is kind of what got me into it. And so I just invite you all to join me on this journey. I'm going to be doing different YouTube videos periodically throughout the week, try and do a couple of videos a week, just kind of updating on my journey, things like that, giving you tips and tricks of what I learned, what works, what may not work, some of the mistakes I've made. And so just like me, I mean, I know everyone says they've lost a lot of money. I've lost quite a bit of money, probably not as much as some of the others, but hey, we all have our price point, right? But yeah, I invite you to join me on this journey. So if you want to join me on this journey from where I'm at, because I'm not anywhere really big right now, but I'm fully planning on making this a success because I want to take my family on trips and things like that because I see other people doing it. Why can't it be possible for me? And if it's possible for me, it could be possible for anybody else. So if you're interested, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again later. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to comment, like this video, not photo, wow.